নমস্কার সকলকে স্বাগত জানিয়ে আজকের এপিসোড নাম্বার 124 সংস্কৃতি কলকাতা মাইসেলফ লালিয়া দত্তগুপ্ত আর আজকের এপিসোড ইজ अगेन অন kalamkari in hand painting and there's a little surprise for you today also. So let's get started. We'll start with lovely hand painted Tasar kalamkaris. Product number 1 again in tie and dye kalamkari along with hand painted pallu and blouse piece similar to what the mannequin is also wearing. So this is a tie and dye in coffee and mint green color, and here is the pallu and the blouse piece. These are Hastkala, Kalahasti, Kalamkari, milk washed. This is the blouse piece, 9,950 rupees. So since you are quite aware of the concept, I'll be showing to you this way so that you can understand the sari along with the blouse piece and the border. There are no border, these are borderless, but the pallu and the blouse piece. So this is the sari. The pallu, this is the pallu part, and the jal paint is the blouse piece part. Product number 1, similar to the mannequin is also wearing, so you'll get an idea. The pallu will be fully hand painted. It's a yellow color with hand painted kalamkari pallu. Since these are hand paint, nothing will be even. See, there will be little bleeding here because these are natural hand painting and Kalahasti hand painting. So these are the natural effect, not defects. And see the blouse piece. It's a beautiful hand painted blouse piece with this also. Same price, 9,950 rupees. So this is the sari. It's a beautiful piece. Similarly, number 2, Firoza color. These are all in Leheriya. I had shown Shibori also. So this time I'll be showing you Leheriyas. Here is the first the pallu, here is the blouse piece, then comes the pallu, and then comes the sari. The body is the Firoza Leheriya. This is the pallu, and the jal painting is the blouse piece in the bottom. The jal painting is the blouse piece. All same price, 9,950 rupees. No border. You can wear your multicolor stone jewelries or the Rudraksh one that I'm wearing. Similarly, these look very nice with this kind of ethnic saris. See, it's a bottle green with yellow. ₹9,950 rupees. Again, I'm sure you can understand the color combination. Here is the pallu, and then the lower part will be the blouse piece. All same price. Very smart concept, and every time I keep showing you more and more, but then the demand never stops. So again, another new episode of hand painted kalamkaris for you. This is also hand painting, pure Tasar with zari border. These are not milk washed, but these are all original hand paintings. 8,990 rupees. All same price. From the beginning, the prices have not increased. I've been showing you the same particular type in various paintings, but all same price. 8,990 rupees for this zari border hand painted pure Tasar kalamkari. See the painting, full. See the peacock, very rich, uncommon painting. the blouse piece with work painting in the back and also in the sleeves. And here is the sari. See the shading. The credit goes to my painter who does lovely shading. See this part, it's a lovely snuff with blue color shading done, and the body part there will be all over painting. The snuff with the shading is really nice. This lower part in the pleats you can see the painting in the lower part. It's a beautiful shade, deep to light, and then the painting starts in panel. It's a beautiful piece. Here you can understand. And the blouse piece I've already shown you, it's painted. 8,990 rupees. Now keep watching all the beauties. Each and every product will be different from each other, even the color combinations. This is a woven tussar border. This is the woven border. 8,990. Previously I've shown at least 10 to 12 episodes of Kalamkari, maybe more than that, maybe 15 episodes of Kalamkari. Not a single piece is left. So select from the new episodes. Old episodes Kalamkari, not a single piece is available. So you can select from the new ones for those who are waiting patiently for the Kalamkari. So you can select from this episode. And it's always first come first serve basis. Once the payment is received, we will courier it to you within 1 to 2 working days. This is the blouse piece. We have 2 branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jamir Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. Both are very close by, but products are different from each other. To get this particular product, the YouTube product or the Facebook product, prior booking is necessary. 8,990. You will get more varieties of these, but exactly same piece. No, you get variety of Kalamkari paintings and all, but this particular sari you have to pre-book. This is the sari. 8,990 rupees. It's in a military green color. Now mustard number 6. Mustard with a teal blue color combination. It's a very pretty combination. The work, the painting, all freehand, and it's totally artist's credit. 8,990. Initially I used to tell him this is the type of things you want, my clients want, but now that he's done so many, he's experienced now. We have a 6-member team who's only doing painting throughout the day, and I'm lucky to have such a team. This is the blouse piece. It's in mustard with the blouse piece back, and here is the border in the sleeves. Lovely piece with fish painting throughout the border and the pallu also. Teal blue and mustard. Pink and mehendi green. It's not mehendi, it's a light military green color with pink. Actually these are dye shades, so, and these are all colors are all organic colors which have been washed and all. So exact color is very difficult to say. There are so many colors. It's not exactly pink. It's a very rare shade. I will not try to experiment with my colors, but it's a pretty shade. You can understand whatever the shade we are showing, exactly the same piece will go, because all single piece creation. Number 7. I try my best to explain the exact color so that there is no confusion, and luckily you always send me comments and messages after receiving the product that you are very happy. You can check out our WhatsApp status where the comments, the satisfied customers comments are all mostly being given in the status, so you can understand that you are happy with the purchase, that which is very important to me. Number 7, 8,990 rupees. Now black and a coffee color. This is also a very lovely, rare, rich color. The color combination is very important. The color makes it, in painting especially, more than the motive, the color is very important. The shading, the colors that we put in each pattern. So that's where the look comes. 8,990. It's a fully earthy colored concept, but after draping, it will look very grand. Cash on delivery possible only in Kolkata, and outside Kolkata by courier only. This is the sari. We are shipping internationally regularly. So again, in each episode I usually say that for a single sari the shipping will be more than if you buy 2-3 saris. So better if you usually you do that. I know you pay for the sari and then I request, my suggestion is to pay for one sari, and then if you would like a few more you can add and then pay the shipping later. Then you can exactly know how cheap the shipping comes to for a one sari and for a 3 sari. It becomes almost less than half the price of shipping. So that way you can save on shipping. This is the pleats. Number 9. All varieties I am showing you. See, this is a very pretty Ganesha painting in the pallu part. Upper pallu. It's in the upper pallu. It will come in the upper pallu part. Here is the master pleats with the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece, border and the back, and here is the sari. Same price, 8,990 rupees, zari border. Number 10. So from earth color to brighter colors to all over to shaded, all varieties I am showing you. See, this is a new painting. This is a little different painting. Real beauty. I mean, it's a story in this fabric. 8,990. When I was in my school days, I used to spend a lot of time in art colleges. I used to love how the artists, and I didn't have the privilege to go to an art college, but I used to do paintings, canvas painting, and also in these saris and fabrics for my school projects, and also for these even in my showroom I have a wall painted in canvas. So I really love these kind of artistic work, though I don't have time to paint anymore. So I try to work closely with the artists who can do these kind of freehand painting, and they these young artists who love these, they have a funda of the this art. Number 11. This is a fully painted in light military green. $8990. We are 4 sisters, and my grandfather and my grandmother both were very insistent on us into these paintings at home. We had masters who used to come at home. We were from a very conservative family, so we were not supposed to go to any colleges or something for painting. So we had our sirs who used to come from art college, sirs who used to come and give us training in painting at home, even singing teachers who used to come at home. So we were brought up with full of art and culture family. So somehow I tried to bring out those what I had learnt in my young days in these creations of ours. This is the blouse piece. The blouse piece will be running, and of course it will have the painted border. Here is the blouse piece. This is a very soothing color combination. This is another beauty with a big peacock in the pallu part. Here you can see the peacock painting. Peacock in the pallu part. And a coffee color pleat, shaded. Here, blouse piece in coffee, the back and the sleeves. So this episode you are getting an option of many these hand painted, all over painted tussar ones. So you can see, I did not show much tie and dyes this time, the Leheriya ones. I've been showing more on these painted ones, the hand painted ones. And of course I'll show you something new, as I told you, that will also be shown. This is in bottle green, this is in a dark military green color with magenta flowers. See, very rich color. Ruby set would look so pretty in this. Those who have a ruby set, pinkish color set. See the blouse piece? This is the blouse piece. Same price, 8990. 14. Many shades of green, but this time too many greens, but all different from each other. See, this is a pista with the previous one was bottle green. I've shown moss green, I've shown greyish green, mehendi green, mint green, so many greens, but green highlighted episode. 8990 for this. Please do like, share and subscribe if you like the products. And we have 2 branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jamir Lane, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19. Once we will be keeping open before the pujas on the Sundays. Now Monday to Saturday 10 to 8 p.m. Here is the saree. Now coming to Sambalpuris. These are very traditional pure tussars from Orissa with hand painted kalamkaris. The border and the pallu, I've left it the way it is. It's a rich weave, pure Sambalpuri in pure tussar, 10,500 rupees, 10,500. These are very rich weaves and look very nice on wearing. It's their traditional temple woven border, and of course it will have their blouse piece. This is a sari blouse itself. I've not done anything to the blouse piece. It's it's a very traditional concept. It's a very rich weave with temple Sambalpuri border in peach orange color. Pleats will be peach, the border will be in orange. 10,500 rupees for this, 10,500. Number 16, I had worn a similar one in previous episode, and many of you were wanting for those. Now those who've missed out, there's one piece that I have in this black border. Actually, it's very difficult to get these weaves also, because these are all hand woven tussars, and bringing it from another state and doing the painting in another state, dyeing, painting, it is very time consuming. 10,950 rupees for this, 10,950 for this. Very traditional Sambalpuri border, woven pure, and this fabric is so soft and comfortable. See the blouse piece, it will be in charcoal grey color. This is the blouse piece. Since these are hand painting, there may be spots and it will be a bit of bleeding here and there, but that's the part of the paint, kalamkari paint. Even in Madhubanis you have to adjust with those are not defects. This is also a very pretty sari, 10,500 rupees. Green Sambalpuri. See the painting in this. Green blouse. See the little birds in the pleats. Very cute. This is what I was talking about. Number 18, 10,950. Very pretty red border. Korwa weaves. ₹10,950 pure tussar. See the pallu. Original Sambalpuri hand woven tussar 10,950 rupees, 10,950, with freehand kalamkari painting done throughout with shades in the pleat. It's a very time consuming, and you can understand how much work has gone into these saris. The initial polish has already been done. This is the blouse piece. See the work. Gorgeous sari, gorgeous one. Absolute delight in displaying these kind of rich hand painted saris in pure hand woven tussars. 10,950 rupees for this maroon color border. So this episode, again, I'm sure I'll not be hearing complaints that you're not getting it. So I'm showing you so many Sambalpuris, Vidarbhas I'll show you, and also these Lahariyas and tussar all over. 10,950 rupees, 10,950. Here is the sari and this is the blouse piece. Isn't it rich? Please leave a comment if you like the products. Anything you want to see in your next episode. So I'll keep those in mind. So all range I'm showing you. You see, even in the kalamkari range, I've been showing cotton kalamkari printed also, which are all within 3,000, 1,500, 2,000 to 3,000 range. I've shown you in the previous episodes also. More episodes coming soon. Now this is Vidarbha, pure tussar Vidarbha borders, Vidarbha sari with again hand painting done. This is almost the color, no, this mine is Firoza, this is in a royal blue, ink blue. See the painting. Number 20, 10,950 rupees, 10,950. Gorgeous Vidarbha tussar. Blouse piece. Real beauty to see the pleats. Number 21. Leaf green color, parrot green, 10,950 rupees. Beautiful shade of green in light onion pink flowers throughout the sari with the painting in the pleats also. The blouse is plain woven, traditional Vidarbha blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece in green. Make full utility of the blouse piece because this blouse only will look nice with this. We have the tailoring unit. If you want, we can stitch the blouses and ship it to you. All shipping charges, there are shipping charges. We do not add shipping prices to the product to the product price. Shipping is separate. This is the pallu. 22. Rani color, Tussar Vidarbha. ₹10,950. So in this episode, Vidarbha is 10,950 is the price, but from next episode the prices will increase for Vidarbhas a bit. So around 300-400 rupees, because they've increased the charge for the Vidarbha, the sari itself. They have increased the prices. So from the next episode, the Vidarbha prices will increase a bit. They have been requesting me to increase some amount for the oath, for the than, but I was, every time I was trying to persuade to keep the same price, but now they have requested me, so I have to listen to them to get the best quality, and I do not compromise with little amount of difference. You will get the best quality. This is the blouse piece. Now something to what I was saying, I'll show you something different. Now this one, what I'm wearing, is a digital printed kalamkari. All these were hand painted. Now this is kalamkari in digital printing. Digital printing is a very new concept of printing, and it's very much in demand. This is printed, not painted, printed, and the price reduces a lot. Vidarbha, it will have a sky blue, this Firoza blue blouse piece with the border. This is the pallu, Ganga Jamuna border. The neck piece that I am wearing, Rudraksh neck piece, along with this earring, 1500 or 1550, 1500, okay, 1500 is the set. All our prices, saris, they have a barcode. So whatever the price, I cannot charge anything. These are all computerized barcode products. So exactly this amount, there's no plus minus. Exact that amount will be charged to you. Even if sometimes maybe you are questioning me about the product price, where I don't exactly remember, but once the billing is done, if you are paying more, you'll get the refund of the extra amount, even if it's 10 rupees. So be sure that you are paying the exact price. It's all computerized, so don't worry about the change, and so that's why we are very flexible. We are very open about the price. Even in my Facebook page, from the very beginning, I've been openly writing the exact price of our products. A Ganga Jamna border, mustard and red, tomato red and mustard, and see the lovely printing. The prices is cheaper, 9,950 rupees. 9950 for this pure Vidarbha, pure Tussar digital printing kalamkari, product number 23. Same one that I am wearing. Mine is grey, this is in green. And yes, it will have a mustard blouse piece, Vidarbha blouse piece, very pretty one. This is also very, very pretty and uncommon, and the prices is almost 1,000 rupees less. And very fine cut digital printing. The last one, number 24, black. Vidarbha Tussar digital printed kalamkari. Number 24, 9,950 rupees. Very good quality pure tussar hand woven. Keep watching for our next video, which will be aired very soon. Usually it's 4 days a week, 10 o'clock in the morning, until unless I announce the change in time or date. You check out our Facebook page. A day before, I usually announce the next episode, preview of the next episode. So this is episode number 124, product number 24, 9,950 rupees in Tussar Kalamkari digital printing. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Namaskar.